Hi my loyal Robloxians. It is me, David Basuki. I know you all love our dynamic faces and our face paint. But I hears from various talking X's that you greedy pedo haters wish for more. Well, my labs of Roblox have created new Israel Epstein technology that will satisfy your condo-loving need.
Introducing Dynamic Cloning Connection. How it works is you send Roblox headquarters the subject you will like to clone, and then with our advanced AI is real technology, we are able to transfer the mind of your subject into a retro Roblox body. And to demonstrate, here is John